Alright, let's go into Wednesday's trading recap. Today is the Fed meeting at 2 p.m. and I didn't expect much action for today, and actually the volume was very low. However, I took some trades and I am done now with my 30 executions, with my execution limit of 30 executions for the day. I did take a trade in Apple. I had my level for Apple was 167 and 167.50-ish, and when I saw Apple reject the 167 and broke this candle here, I missed that one, but I used the retest of the 167 for an entry short. Then I saw the bids come in here and I didn't like the action and just took the trade off to wait for 167.50, just to miss it. Then I also traded Facebook today, my best trade for the day, but someone was impatient and didn't have the patience to just let it play out. My levels for Facebook were 142.50, but that was too close to VWAP, so I ignored it. Then I had 144 down, and that's where I took my first stab and opened a position. Next I had 145 and 145.50. So when I saw some rejection here at 90 and my order, my order here, I had placed an order at 95 and it wasn't filled, so I just took the bid a little too low, but I just let the rest play out and had in mind to add more, another half then at 145.50. But it sold off nicely, and at 144 I took half off. At previous day's close I took another part off, and at the 50-cent mark below another part. And instead of just letting it run down, I took the last pieces off here, and at the 143 support I thought it might hold, and it didn't. So, but good trade however. Small size. I think I had a total of 70 shares here, but but still it's like $40, so better than nothing. I tried JNJ as well, but did very bad. I had 129 for support, missed it, and it respected it almost to the cent, and missed a nice run doing so. So that was kind of a bummer. Then I had 132.50 for. Well, I had wait a minute. I had 129, and what's the? 1 second, please. And I had 130 and 131 for support, for resistance. I didn't play that, but waited for 131 to hold, and when it retested here and looked like it dropped, I just took a small position, and I didn't like the action, took it off. I was busy with MU, and which has been a bitch today. I don't know, I have really trouble trading MU. I don't know, I don't find an appropriate size for me to trade, even in quarter pieces. At the moment I trade like tier size of 140. So when I skate in in terms of 35, and it just, I don't get anywhere. It's usually it's just a break-even thing here. So after MU broke down after earnings overnight, it finally broke that 131, the 34 level that I was watching the past days. So yeah, why not break through it overnight it just sold off, and I thought we might continue lower, and I placed at that 80 cents, I placed an order out of the open. Got filled and it sold off shortly, but I just stuck to it, I don't know, and added here at 32.50 I had down for support, and I kept adding to it, building a position. It wasn't big, I think I had like 250, 300 shares in total up here. And when I tried to add and double, I really tried to double down here with, but was only filled like on 30 shares. So my average wasn't quite good, and I took most of it off below break even for a small profit. There was support here, and yeah, it was a good exit. And then I had 33.50s for resistance. However, I don't know why I do this. I did not put in limit orders today. I don't know why, and then it looked like here it would break down. I got faked into add back here and here again, and it was just a mess. And yeah, I didn't like it. Took off the trades, break even here, and I don't know, no follow through. Didn't like it. Yeah. And next resistance, we have the 33.90 I originally had in mind to add, but you can see we respect VWAP so far and bounced off of it. So I also took a trade in Netflix that had barely any volume today, and it was just grinding along. I had this 278.50 as resistance down, and when I saw it reject here 174.50s and tried to and looked like weak, I tried, yeah, just tried a small trade and took off a partial and let the rest run out to add around 181 that we never made it to. And then here for backside trade, when it broke 280, I added another piece and then just took it off as we made lows, and yeah. Small trade, small profit, but green. Today I had one break-even trade, I had two profitable trades, and I had two net red trades in JNJ and MU. Both due to commissions, but yeah, it doesn't bother me. Green over green, small green. Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna trade anymore today. Gonna wait for the Fed meeting, and in case something turns up, but I don't expect anything, to be honest.